Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's recipe is this yummy beef, fish and eggs vegetable sauce. You guys, this sauce is the real deal, and if you want to see how I made it, then keep watching. But first, click the subscribe button so you'll be a part of the family. So the first thing you would want to do is to boil your beef. I'm using some onions, chopped garlic and ginger, and to that I'm going to be adding some dry thyme, some curry powder, salt and seasoning cubes. And then we're going to bring this meat to boil for at least 12 to 15 minutes till it is softened. Also, don't forget to add in your salt when you're boiling your meat, but be very careful with that as you do not want your salt to overpower your meal. So we're just going to add water to that meat and leave it to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes till it is cooked through completely. You want soft beef, not something you have to struggle with. So for this recipe, I'm also going to be using some Titus fish, which is also called mackerel fish. I've already washed and cleaned them, and I'm just going to season with a little bit of salt and seasoning cube. I'll set that aside before we'll fry it later. That way the salt and the seasoning would have entered into the fish very well, and it will be so delicious. You guys, this recipe is a must, okay? It is a must. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, please do click the subscribe button and be a part of this family. Also hit the notification bell so you never miss my videos. Also, I'm going to be boiling some eggs because this will go into our sauce. You guys, there's something about egg boiled inside stew, cooked inside sauce that is so delicious. I can't even explain it. To make this sauce, we're going to be needing some onions. I'm using some tatashe, okay? And of course, I'll be using this long chili pepper. Of course, some hot scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm not using too much of that because my kids don't really tolerate heat that much. But feel free to, customize this as you like. But the ratio of the tatashe and the long chili pepper should be more. I'm using just about 3 tomatoes and that's it, and 2 onions. I'm going to bring this to a blend, and then once it is blended, I'm going to go ahead to boil it till every water in it is dry. This way your sauce will taste very sweet and not sour at all. Since our beef is cooked, I'm going to go ahead to deep fry this beef in oil. We want our beef to be golden brown by the time we're done frying it. You guys, this is a must, okay? Frying your beef to golden brown is a must. It just helps to bring a lot of flavor and taste to your dish. If you're still watching at this point and you have not subscribed, please click that subscribe button as a way to encourage me to post more videos and also to help you see my videos whenever I post them. As you can see, our beef is looking so good, looking golden brown now, and I'm just going to take them out of the oil. Every time I am frying beef in the kitchen, my husband will always throw into the kitchen and be asking me, baby, what are you doing? He already knows I'm frying beef, and a few pieces of this beef is going to go into his mouth. Okay, now that we are done with the beef, I'm just going to go ahead and fry my fish. I'm frying this fish till it is golden brown as well. All right, the only thing we're not frying for this sauce is the eggs, but the fish and the meat, we are definitely frying them. You guys, let me know who eats the head of fish in your house. I'm not going to tell you who eats it in my house, but let me know who eats the head of fish in your house in the comment section. All right, because this head of fish is a matter for another day. So in the same oil where we fried our meat and our fish, which already has all that flavor and deliciousness, we're just going to add our pepper mix that we've already boiled dry, and we're going to fry this on medium heat till the pepper mix is really fried. As you can see, it is really deep red in color. That's because of the tatashe and the long chili peppers, and I just love it. At this point, my home smells amazing. The fragrance from this tatashe and pepper is just amazing. So to that, we'll add the meat stock from the beef we boiled earlier, and then I'm just going to taste it to know how much salt and seasoning I might need to add. Before I add my salt and seasoning, I'm going to go ahead and add in my boiled eggs because I want them to really soak up this sauce. I want them to soak up all the sweetness of this sauce. And after that, I'm going to be adding some salt and seasoning cube, and I'll taste to make sure that everything tastes right. Okay, If you're still watching and you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. All right. To that, now I'm adding my beef and fried fish, and then I'm going to lower the heat to the lowest on my cooker, so everything just simmers together and cooks together, so that the sauce gets into the meat, into the fish, into the eggs really well. You want to cook this on low heat and not rush the process at all. This will really help you to amplify the flavor and the taste of this sauce. Trust me, this sauce will take over your regular tomato sauce. I am telling you that. So the last part of this is to add in washed and sliced ugu, pumpkin leaves. If you watch my channel a lot, you will know I use this vegetable a lot. You can get it in any regular Nigerian market. And one thing about me is once I add in vegetables, I just go ahead and turn off the heat. The heat in the pan and the sauce is enough to cook this vegetable through. I still want it to be a bit crunchy when the sauce is done. So you go ahead and stir in the vegetable into the sauce till everything is well combined. And you guys, that is our simple but delicious, extremely delicious vegetable sauce with beef, fish and eggs. Let me know if you love this recipe and if you want more of this in the comment section. Be sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up so more people can see it. I served this sauce with some white rice and plantain, and it was just amazing. Hubby couldn't have enough, even my kids couldn't have enough. So let me know when you try out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next